my client just swung and they hit the other one, and
And you're not supposed to be at a bar anyway because you can't drink, but you were intoxicated, according to this. Probably your wife included. We're trying to tell you, let it go, leave it alone. Let's move on.
Yes, ma'am.
You ruined.
Those 3 clips you just watched are the breaking point of a night gone horribly wrong. Julius Martinez claims he didn't mean to hit a cop, but the reality is far more complicated than a simple accident. This is the sentencing of 19-year-old Julius Martinez. What started as a birthday celebration for his wife ended with a felony assault charge that could change his life forever. His defense argues he simply swung during a chaotic scuffle, but the evidence tells a different story. Why were his friends and his own wife pleading with him to let it go before the punch landed? And why was an underage teenager intoxicated at a bar at 2 a.m. to begin with? With 10 years of prison time on the table, the stakes couldn't be higher for this young husband and fiber optic technician. If you want to see how justice unfolds when the 2 a.m. rule is broken, hit subscribe to follow the legal tactics most people miss. Let's go back to the start of this sentencing hearing.
yes, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 010562, State versus Julius Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record? Well, that was quick.
Info Carrillo for Mr. Martinez.
Are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
You have any objection to your attorney appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
State any objection? All right, did you review the discovery acknowledgement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And defense, did you review all discovery with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
And have you received all of the discovery?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Martinez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with assault on a public servant as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is competent.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside legal, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, no contact with Bar House, BAR House, at 820 North Alamo hostility management course, and alcohol awareness course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plea?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
State offer, state's wanted.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, on that particular night, my client, it was something that he could, if he wished, he could take back. Wasn't a fight. He didn't intend to hit the police officer. The officers were trying to pull him apart. My client just swung and trying to hit the other one and unfortunately hit the officer. He's a good man. He works and he just wants to put this behind him and live up to the obligation that he will inherit if Your Honor puts him on deferred probation.
All right. And State, is there anything you wish to add? All right. How old are you?
I'm 19, ma'am.
All right. And what time of the day was this?
It was around 2 in the morning, maybe.
And this goes back to what I say. Nothing good happens after 10 p.m. You should have been at home. Do you live with your mom?
No, ma'am, I live with my wife.
You should have been. Was your wife with you?
Yes, ma'am. It was her birthday. That's the only reason we were out.
And you're not supposed to be at a bar anyway because you can't drink, but you were intoxicated, according to this. And how old is your wife?
She's 21.
And do you all have any children?
No,
You're not ready yet.
not at all.
So I can tell you as a part of your conditions, I'm going to order that you're not allowed to go into any establishments where their main source of business is the selling of alcohol.
Yes, ma'am. That's perfectly fine.
All right. Because I'm reading in the police report, people were trying, your friends, probably your wife included, were trying to tell you, let it go, leave it alone, let's move on.
Yes, ma'am.
You ruined her birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you're making it up to her.
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope she brings it up anytime she wants something. She can say, remember my 21st birthday wasn't a good time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I do fiber optic for light fiber.
Okay.
I drill Wi-Fi in the ground. It's just basically I put Wi-Fi.
All right. See, never lower your job status by saying just basically I do this. You want the company to know that you're indispensable. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, this is what the court will do. Court is going to sentence you to a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication. Uh, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the hostility course. Once he's completed that, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And I'm going to order the alcohol awareness course. Once you've completed that, 20 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 80 hours will be satisfied through completion of sober support meetings. So for every sober support meeting you complete, an hour will be deducted from that. Do you understand? So probation, I'm ordering sober support meetings.
Yes, Judge.
There's to be proof of employment within 40 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits one time per month for 2 months. No contact with Bar House at 820 North Alamo, 78215. And there's to be no entry unless it's for employment to label fiber optics. No entry into any establishment where the business is primarily the sale of alcohol. So if you're going to a place and it's not a bar, you can go there.
Yes, sir.
So Red Lobster, Olive Garden, Cheesecake Factory, and any other restaurant like that. But if it's a bar, no. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Probation, is there anything else that's needed? Oh, I'm sorry, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Well, we'll just do regular UAs because I know how employment for that company is.
Your Honor,
Yes.
my client is not a resident of Bexar County. He lives in Uvalde, and we were going to ask for the probation to be transferred to that county.
All right. Is it Uvalde County?
Yes, sir.
I think it is.
All right. Transfer to Uvalde County. And probation, if for some reason they don't do field visits there, then that's okay. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Remember what I said. And have you ever resided in Bexar County or no?
I used to live in Leon Valley.
All right. So here's the thing. When you go to another place to visit or as a tourist, you're sort of like a guest to that county. So don't go to that county or somewhere else as a guest and cause problems. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you in this court to be successful on probation. Communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as they're not addressing it, you can always come back here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you do, don't disappear.
Yes, sir.
Report. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And thank you for addressing appropriately.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
The judge made her call. Julius Martinez avoided prison, walking away with 2 years of deferred adjudication instead. But was this justice actually served? The law focuses on intent, but Martinez ignored every warning to walk away. Comment below, Team Prosecution or Team Martinez. Was this a genuine accident or a violent pattern waiting to happen? If this case got you thinking, hit like. Share this with anyone who loves a deep dive into courtroom drama.